Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Gabrielle, Gabby, whatever you want to call me. And today we are doing a haul. Now my hair is actually very dry and is in need of a deep conditioning treatment, so we're just gonna ignore that for this video. Anyways, on with the video. So today's haul, I'm doing it with, I went on YESSTYLE. Now if you guys don't know what YESSTYLE is, I'm gonna show you here. It is a website where they do like Korean clothing and some Japanese like clothing and home style and stuff like that, and I've been seeing the adverts for it like everywhere, like on my Insta, just everywhere. So I was like, let me finally check out this place, and I actually really liked a lot of the stuff on the website, so I was like, let me give it a go, see what they got. So let's get started. Actually, let me move you guys back so you can see. We rolling. Guys, I'm so excited. You know how long ago I ordered this? I ordered this like a month and a bit ago, and obviously it's gonna take a while to come because it's coming from Korea, right? But it's finally here and I'm so excited. Was that my hair or was that some kind of animal that just went past me? I'm seeing stuff. Oh, by the way guys, I'm talking to my friend that's off screen. Hello. So I'm not crazy. So when I edit it, I'm gonna put the clothes and what they look like on the screen so you can see, and I'll try and link it in the description as well, but knowing me, I don't know if I'm gonna do that, so just don't. Also, please ignore this finger. Please ignore these fingers, okay? It just had to happen in the same hand, right? This one, like, I just, we're not gonna talk about it. Okay, so this one is, I know, this one is the black bralette. Gayatri. She's freaking out behind the camera. It's like a nice satin material. Oh, I didn't expect it to be this nice. Oh, it's like a nice satiny material, and I didn't know about the sizing, but this looks like it will actually fit me. So I'm gonna try this on and I'll be back here. I do like it. I like it. 10 out of 10 from, no, 8 out of 10 for me. Only because it's slightly too big. But okay guys, so I've just, what I realized I had to do was literally lift it up. So I've lifted it up and it looks way better. Like, can you see? I'm gonna put it side by side from the way I had it before, but this is way better. All I have to do is literally pull it up, but it fits much better. Okay guys, quickly before I get into the next one, are you seeing my color scheme, my color palette? All beiges, because like my new thing is like neutral colors and nice browns and khakis and burnt oranges and just colors like that just, you know, I love it. So yeah, this is me now. Anyways, onto this white jumper. Gayatri is so shook because it's white like, and she's shook of white, but I had to get it. Right, yes. She's saying it's crisscross, and this actually looks like it's gonna be small, and that's what I need. So let me try it on. And this feels really good quality, guys. Like,
wait, I want to touch it.
Yeah, hold on, let me go. Guys, it feels so good. Okay. Let me try not to dirty it. Wait.
No, that's not the sleeve. That's not the sleeve.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. What? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Confused me for a second. We got there in the end. Okay. Now it's meant to be like this. Oh my god. Wait, let me fix it real quick. I think it's meant to be like that. Yeah? Yeah. Or is this big? Oh, okay. So it's meant to be like this.
Yeah.
I think it's meant to be like this. Guys, what? And it fits so well. Obviously, I wouldn't wear these with it, You know, I really wish I would have taken this off, but I can't get them off now. Yes, honestly, just, oh, no, I got it.
Hello.
What's up?
Oh yeah, got you some cranberry juice.
Hey guys. Okay, guys.
Yeah, I like it. It wasn't as pretty.
Well, yeah,
Obviously. I think it's nice.
Yeah.
So out of 10,
I'd give it like
I'll give it a 9.
9.
I'd give it a 10, you know.
Yeah. I like 10.
Would you write with these as well?
No, you would like high-waisted jeans or something. No. Alright, so 10 out of 10 for the jumper. We love it. It's very, very wide, so I'll let you know how that goes. But next up, we've got a tote bag. Now these are for me when I go to uni, just to put like my stuff in it. And I got the ones with zips because I don't like having my stuff unzipped. But yeah, this one is just a bit different. So as you can see, it just says woman on it. And it's just different, you know? I like it. Got a little zip. So yeah. So guys, ratings out of 10. 10.
Oh, is it?
Sorry, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll give it a 10.
10.
Because I feel like it looks different. I like it.
I'll give it like a 9.
A 9.
Yeah.
Why not a 10?
The
Yeah.
shiny bits trim out a little bit.
I get you to do
Oh my god, I didn't realise that was a different material, you know?
Guys, come on.
Oh. So this is like a different, what is it, like a faux leather? Yeah, it's like a faux leather material. I didn't even realise.
I like it.
So yeah, I'm giving it a 10. We're gonna see how wear and tear is with it. But on to the next item. Guys, next item, another tote bag. Again, just for me when I go to uni. Wait, this one's small. It's got a zip as well. But this one is small. Will this even fit my laptop in it? I feel like it will.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah.
That's small. Okay.
I like this one.
I like this one.
I like the size
Really?
as well. Yeah. 10.
10? 10 out of 10.
10.
I'd give it a 9.
9?
Oh.
Yeah.
You like the other one better?
Yeah. I don't know, no, I like this one more. I don't know.
But the other one is more interesting.
Yeah. I feel like there's just not a lot going on.
Right.
But it still looks good.
I like this one. I like the size.
Yeah. I like this one as well, but I don't know. It's just considerably smaller, but you know, we'll work with it. I'll see if my MacBook fits in here, and then that will be like the real tester. But for now, I'm giving it like a 9. Look, okay. First, guys, before I open it, can we appreciate the color? Can we appreciate the color? A brown color. What do you guys think it is?
A top.
A
It's
top?
a dress.
No.
It's a top.
It's a top.
Yeah.
Oh.
You ready?
Brown nude.
Oh, so cute.
You should
Yeah.
wear that though, this weather.
To be honest, no.
Love it.
No, I wouldn't even wear this to the club. Actually, no, I feel like I'd wear this and I'd layer it with like, I'd wear like, no.
This is
like,
nice for summer.
like something like this. I'd wear like something like that over it.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
But yeah, I love the colour. So let me try this on and I'll be back to show you guys how it looks. Yeah, I love it. The colour, the fit, the material. I love it. Obviously, I wouldn't wear it now in this weather. So this is not really, this is kind of a mix of a winter and a summer haul, I guess. But I love the colour. The fit is really nice. It's double strapped. Oh, you can't really see that, but it's double strapped. And yeah, so what are we rating it?
10?
10?
10?
10?
10.
10.
Yeah.
Guys, I love it. We love to see it. So 10 out of 10 they're saying. I'm gonna give it a 10 because it fits really nice as well. I'm telling you lot, hit the like button because this is above and beyond for you lot. So that is a close up. Let's get on to the next one. It's like this burnt orangey jumper. So it's a turtleneck. It's nice. It's really thick. I'm not even telling you guys the sizes because there's not really sizes on these. I think I got this one in some of these items were one size and some of them were, you could get them in like small, medium or large. Yeah, I think this was one size. Some, you know, it's hit or miss with some of them, I guess. Yeah, the bralette was one size, I think, as well. I think this is a small. I think this is small, and I hope it gets over my head because I've got a big head. This, the color is just, I actually don't know what to do with myself. I like it. I like it. The fit is nice. The fit is nice. The length is nice. I thought it was gonna be cropped when I took it out, but it's a nice length. The turtleneck is not suffocating, and yeah, it fits nice, and the material is nice. I just wish the sleeves were not doing this trumpet kind of thing, you know, and it was more fitted, but you know, it is what it is. I still like the color. I still like the jumper. I'd wear it like tucked into some jeans, I guess. Yeah, but I would not wear it with leggings. So what are we rating it?
I give it a 9.
A 9.
Yeah.
Why not 10?
So I didn't give it 10 just because of the sleeve.
Yeah.
I wish it.
Okay, let me see if I do this. Obviously I wouldn't like. I know that's gonna make it like shorter, but I mean, I feel like
I like that more.
yeah.
I like it more.
Yeah, I like it more.
Wear some
like
nice bracelets to fill up that space.
You got the idea.
Buy more.
I hate when sleeves do trumpets. Like, come on. Yeah, I like it better like that. Oh, okay. I'm rating it a 9 out of 10 just for the sleeves as well, but I like it. That's that. It's like a corduroy. Is that how you say that word? Corduroy? What do you call it? Like a jacket? Shirt. Corduroy shirt. This looks like it's a bit. It's not thick, so it's definitely like an autumn kind of thing.
So it is a bit like.
Or you like layer it. I can layer this with like another jacket on top, because in this British weather here, this is not gonna cut it. This material, I'm looking to freeze basically. Love the color. It's like it was almond. I ordered it in. But I better just. Why are the sleeves doing that?
Sure. Because you need to close them.
Obviously, I would not wear it with this top. It's just simple.
Yeah, 10.
10. Like, can't go wrong with it, guys. Look. This is. I'm out here falling for it. These are my colours, so I can't fault it. It's just simple. The material's not too thick. Obviously, it's not a winter kind of thing, so I would layer it. I'd put like a jacket on top of it, because in this Britain, yeah. But once you close the sleeves, the sleeves fit a bit better. It's still slightly short, but I feel like maybe I just have really, really long arms. But yeah, it is what it is. Out of 10.
Because I don't really wear shirts like that, I would say a 7.5. But it would suit you with some mum jeans.
Oh, she knows. That's what I'm going for. Mum jeans, different top. They're shorts. Oh, these look like they're gonna fit nice. I didn't think the top would be like a scrunchy look. But what does it say? Gog fez? I don't know. I don't know. But you lot won't even be able to see that. But yeah, and it's got let's try that again. It's got pockets at the back. Love a bit of pockets. And it has pockets on the side as well, so that's good. Simple, great basketball shorts. Just easy in the house. So yeah, it's just simple. I would give it a 10. Can't fault it. It's just simple. Hey guys, that is the end of the video. If you guys liked, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That helps this channel a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload, and I shall see you in my next one. So it's over and out from us. See ya.